At this point, you realize the driver start checking his six more. Well, looking behind him by checking his wing mirrors. He realized something wasn't right, but however, he kept on driving because I reckon that would be protocol. You are in a safe vehicle. Best thing to do is to keep driving. So let's just watch and see as they continue to drive, what will happen. What I don't get is, as you see, they came under fire. In the military, it would be like contact left or contact right. So they came under contact. They're taking enemy fire. Robbers are trying to get the money, and I suppose that they would kill whoever stands in their way if you're this brave to try to heist a cash-in transit vehicle in this time of the day. That means you are not afraid of either dying or killing somebody. So you notice that what I don't get is how they don't have like a radio in these trucks, so they could call back to headquarters, call the police for support or some form of private security for support. They had a phone, and after they came under fire, you realize at one point his wingman had a pistol in his hand, and he had also a rifle in his opposite hand. You can't fire any shots off like that. I know coming under contact is one of those things in which, we used to use a saying that your bum start doing the 50p, 20p movements, so you start being panicking. Your heart start beating 100 beats a minute. Your adrenaline start pumping, and you don't know what's going on. So I understand that the situation that they're in is going to place them in a really tricky spot. Everything is going on in their head. A million seconds. So fast they can't even comprehend. But I have to commend the driver. So when he took fire to the side of the vehicle, it shook him up, but he gathered his composure. Fearfully maybe, but he held it. So for that reason, I think this driver needs to be awarded for his bravery, for his consistency, for composing himself despite the situation that he is in. Man, that was bad. I don't know what's going on in South Africa, but trust me, it is dire. It's messed up. It's messed up, and the government need to step in. So, thanks for enjoying the video. Like, share, and subscribe.